I was the child in the children's court, found guilty, condemned, taken away at 6 in handcuffs.
Anybody that I've known to come out of them places are all in prison or dead, or back on the way back to prison.
I was locked away in institutions run by religious orders of brothers and nuns. No one escaped the harsh punishment for petty offences. 7 years, 6 years, 5 years for not going to school. All around me, the same thing was happening to my brothers and my sisters, and later to my nieces and nephews. Nobody believed us back then, and they still don't. Only we can tell this story.